This job defeated me 2 months ago. I tried to do it alone, but I couldn't. I felt tired, disappointed, and ready to give up. But I didn't quit. I kept working, kept learning, and faced many challenges. Now, 2 months later, I am back at the same place. But this time, things are different. Better equipment, more experience. Today I finished this job with very confidence. So I have to say, don't give up and trust yourself and keep going. Thank you for watching this video. Stay hard.